In a graceful unfolding moment, AI shapes a sanctuary of comfort just for you. Your journey to deep relaxation begins. Osaki Grand Duo.
The Grand Duo offers advanced 4D massage technology, delivering a lifelike experience for both the upper and lower body. Heated rollers soothe deep muscle tension. It opens with a sleek sliding door, inviting you into a world of tailored relaxation. AI health sensor then analyzes your body and delivers a customized massage. The wireless touchscreen controller and intelligent voice control.
What can I do for you?
Lets you adjust your massage hands-free. Experience full-body air massage. Shoulders. Armrest. 3-part arm and palm airbags provide wave-like relief. Back and hips. Calves, calf kneading, and feet. Calf and foot rollers provide a smooth massage, deeply soothing tired muscles. Zero gravity and 2 recline modes offer weightless comfort, requiring only 1 inch from the wall for full recline. Enjoy 41 auto programs and 5 manual programs. With the heating shawl and calf and foot heating, experience enhanced circulation. The auto leg extension adjusts perfectly to your height. Enhance your relaxation with aromatherapy. The negative ionizer works silently in the background. Immerse yourself in soothing sounds through built-in Bluetooth speakers. Chromotherapy LED lighting sets the perfect mood with customizable colors. Complete your journey to serenity. Osaki Grand Duo.